morning, students. Last class we learned the previous past tense and simple past, the difference between these two. And today, from the same grammar, a few things we are going to learn, that is about prepositions. So today I am going to teach you this one, prepositions. Preposition. So pre in the sense before, position, state or place. Let me tell the difference. What is a preposition? Preposition, a word which places before a noun, or it indicates between the two nouns or the pronouns in a sentence. That is a definition. Preposition is a word. It shows the relation between the two nouns or between the pronoun, and it places and it uses before the noun or a pronoun. For example, he went to college. So here, to is a preposition. So where do we use this preposition? College. This is a noun. So this noun, the relation, it shows the relation or it indicates the relation, the remaining part of the sentence, the remaining part of the phrase. So here the noun and the phrase, it connects by a word. This is to, it is a preposition. So now we are going to learn this topic, preposition. So prepositions, there are types of the prepositions. There are other types of the prepositions. Let us see the types of the prepositions. The first one, simple preposition. Or it is also called one word preposition. One word prepositions. So what are the simple prepositions and one word preposition? At, in, on, with, by, of, about, and up, down, below, etc. is a role called one word preposition, or it is also called simple prepositions. And the second one is double preposition. Double prepositions. Double prepositions in the sense, these here the two prepositions are together is called double prepositions. See here, in plus to into, up plus on upon. Okay, these two are called double prepositions. And the third one compound prepositions, or otherwise it is called phrasal prepositions. Phrasal prepositions. This phrasal preposition in the sense, phrase is a group of words which doesn't have a subject and a finite verb, and the rest of the words in a sentence is called a phrase. That is called phrase. The phrasal prepositions are according to, along with, due to, because of, okay, next, in spite of, by all means of, so these are called phrasal prepositions. So likewise here the prepositions are different, and finally, and these prepositions are very huge topic in English, and at the same time most confusion topic in English. Most confusion topic in English. English లో బాగా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యే టాపిక్ ఏదే అంటే prepositional topic. సో ఈ prepositional topic ని, సో ఇక్కడ ఒక్కొక్క ప్రిపోజిషన్ ఏ సర్టెన్ సెన్స్ లో ఏ సందర్భాల్లో మనం ఉపయోగిస్తాం అనేది నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో మనం చూడొచ్చు. ఓకే.